To give this mirror an antiqued look and to darken it up a little bit, I applied some brown wax using a chip brush and then wiped off the excess. So I just took a little bit of the brown wax and I put it on the piece of paper. I dipped my chip brush in and wiped off the excess, and then I added it onto the moldings and onto the frame and wiped back the excess. This brown wax now comes in 4-ounce sizes, and it's really inexpensive. Like, I think you can pick it up for, I don't know, maybe $5, $6. So if you were ever on the fence about trying it, they do come in small sizes, really inexpensive. And again, I'll leave the link down below. It's really perfect for small projects.